Hello, my wonderful crew. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wireless keyboard I got from Five and Below. So here it is, I guess. Wow, how cool is that? I know. So first, open it up. I think it'd be easier if we actually. Oh, don't want that happening again. All right, so let's take off that saran wrap. Right. Now this is the instruction manual. Wireless keyboard. Yeah, this is a lot of words. Too bad I'm not reading any of it. If we go over to the back, see where the port is most likely stored. Right there, boom. So let's put that back in, just like so. But seems to be a lot to do. So it's a basic keyboard. It's got WASD for gaming, because whoever uses, arrow keys, there's a sacred pit somewhere deep down in hell just meant for you if you ever use these. You disgusting scum of human trash. You know who you are. So I haven't used it yet, but we're gonna go test that later. Seems to have two stands for it, to elevated to your nasty little greasy grubby hands, you filth. And well, for most of it, it's got some pretty quiet keys. Yeah, see? Of course, the keys are actually up a little bit, so you can boop off them. Even got the F keys, so that's pretty good. And so now, exit anything easily. So far I'd rate this keyboard, without using it first, 5 out of 10, because whatever after it will be rated once I use it. So that was my honest keyboard review. Wasn't too great because I haven't been making videos in a really long time, so it's gotten pretty good so far. Gotten basically down with it. Yeah, it's got pretty basic stuff, easy to use. I got a mouse, so I can put that in. First, I'm gonna see if I still got it in me. Yeah, I do. So, this keyboard is really good. I'd say it's a pretty nice choice. It's like really incredibly small, so if you got some tiny fingers, you can easily go around, but I have overly large hands, also meaning that yes, this one is my most muscular, because I practice with it. So I'd say it's a 4 to 5 out of 10. Really good choice.